Oh my goodness, good morning. It is Tuesday morning and we've got some beautiful fabrics. So I have found that when we combine, or one way to get a really upscale look is to combine a high end, which is this one right here, with that and the others. So I've kind of put some together with you that I think some high, some low, some are going to be $10, some are not. But trying to keep with you a pace is to get them all together is really nice. Another thing really quick before I get into these fabrics, yesterday, Memorial Day, everybody took off. Like we've never done this before. Everybody took off, so everything's a mess. Just be patient. We'll get the fabrics cut and posted and we'll get it all done today. But anyway, so we're going to start off with 100% cotton. This is a corduroy. And what we know about corduroy is it's been on the rise, but it's really strong for summer and especially for fall. So this gold color is beautiful. It's perfect right now and will go actually all year long for you. 100% cotton, stretch woven corduroy, absolutely stunning. $10 a yard, ridiculous pricing. I put it with this Max Mara, and I did because of the gold tones in it that are just a perfect match. The Max Mara, this is 100% viscose. And it woven, 100% viscose woven, just an amazing blouse, absolutely stunning. And put it with this maroon, you can see also it blends. The three of them just blend beautifully together. The wine, this wine color is a cotton poly, but it's a beautiful drape, beautiful hand, lightweight, so it'd go all through the summer. It actually this is really year round. I didn't get my tape off, sorry about that. But this is really year round. It's just a beautiful drape, beautiful piece of fabric. And I put it with this Max Mara knit because this knit is 100% viscose. It has stretch in one direction. It really can go year round. You can see, you can pair it with darker, you can pair it with the red. You could even pull in a cream. It would all be really beautiful, this Max Mara. Not $10, but really gorgeous. This is $10, and this is, I think, the deal of the day. This is a cotton wool silk. The hand on this thing is amazing. It is beautiful. $10 for this fabric is absurd. I'm certain the guy put it in the wrong bin when he charged me, but I'm going to pass it on to you guys. It's a beautiful red. It's a blue red. It is stunning. It's really beautiful. And then I put this 100% viscose with it. It really brightens it up, makes it summery, and yet this is something that could really go year round. The hand on this thing is amazing. All right, so some 10, some not. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.